promo code for PayPal. You will get free gift card by using this code, and you will get amazing balance on your PayPal wallet. So use this code and get wallet balance. So how you can use it? Simply I'm going to share a code which is working right now. If you are from UK, US or anywhere else, you can use this code. And if this code is working for you, what you need to do is simply hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, because it takes a lot of time to find this type of working promo code. And let me tell you one more thing, and if it is not working, let me know in the comment section, because you can use each coupon code for a limited time, not for each and every time. And this all gift cards are using day by day, and that's why it's expire really fast. So go try to use this code, and if it is not working, let me know in the comment section below. So simply you can add this on the gift card section, and you will able to use this code. So this is the code number first, where you will get $10 gift card by using this code. This is second, where you will get $40 code by using this code. These two codes are currently working right now, and if you want more code like this, simply comment down more, so I create a new video for you, because it expires really fast, because in daily basis lots of people are using. And how I extract this gift code? Simply I do a lot of research for that, and finally found one gift card which is working from Reddit, and second is from Black Hat. Okay, this two I found this from two websites, and it is working really good currently. And if it is not working, let me know in the comment section below, and comment more for more code like this. So hope you understand. Subscribe for more. Thank you very much for watching.